So you are on keto diet. Well, then let me share with you this amazing keto pork chops recipe. First, the ingredients: 1 medium star anise, 1 tablespoon of almond flour, 4 boneless pork chops, 1/2 teaspoon of 5 spice, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar-free ketchup, 1½ teaspoons soy sauce, 4 halved garlic cloves, 1/2 tablespoon of chili paste, 1 stalk of lemongrass, 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Put the pork chops on a flat table and to pound the pork chops into 1/2 inch thick pieces. Grind peppercorns and anise in a blender, garlic and lemongrass to the blender or pound to a puree. Add the fish sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, and 5 spice powder, then mix well. Season the pork chops, place them on a tray, add the marinade, and then turn over to ensure the pork chops are well coated. Cover and leave for about 1 to 2 hours. Place a pan on high heat, add oil, and then coat the pork chops lightly with almond flour. When done, cut the chops into several strips. To make the sauce, mix together sugar-free ketchup and chili paste. You can serve with Parmesan green beans. I hope you will try this delicious and indulging pork dish. Visit the link below video to get a free keto cookbook and a 7-day keto diet course and discover how to create even more keto-friendly delicious meals for your loved ones.